everyone, welcome to SIGOR. I'm Flora. We are a 19-year-old professional wiring harness and cable sales factory with business for wiring new energy, automobiles, and consumer electrics. Now we are in the second production base in Pune. Let's have a look. 这有点太
Tired of tangled cables and misplaced chargers? Meet our 2-in-1 braided lanyard data cable, your ultimate solution for on-the-go charging. This innovative design blends a durable lanyard with a high-speed charging cable, perfect for iPhone 15, 16, and Android devices. Crafted with military-grade nylon braiding, the cable withstands 10,000-plus bends, while the zinc alloy latch prevents accidental drops. The dual Type-C port supports 60 West SuperFast charging, powering your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. Plus, the adjustable lanyard doubles as a wrist strap or backpack accessory, holding up to 5 kilograms, ideal for outdoor adventures. As a certified manufacturer with IATF 16949 and ISO 9001, we test every cable for waterproofing and overcurrent protection. Our Dongguan factory produces 100,000 units monthly, backed by 15 engineers, ready to experience our cutting-edge cables. Request a sample, get a custom quote, or explore our full range. Don't forget to follow us for exclusive tech tips and limited-time offers.